Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Get ready with me. It's supposed to be Wig Wednesday, but I'm not putting no wig on and my face looking like this, so get ready with me. Okay, get everything laid out so I don't take all day. And I'm not going to say what I'm using because that takes a long time too. 2 pumps of this Estee Lauder. Double Wear Stay in Place makeup in the color. I have to tell y'all what I'm using. What color is this? Amber Honey. And that's perfect for me. Get these dark eye sockets. I have built-in eyeshadow, y'all. Dark. You get the eyebrows and get everything. Get around the nose, get the nose holes. Get these moles, freckles, everything. Skin tags. Okay. Put that away. And I don't ever wet my beauty blenders. Ever. Okay. Let me do some. Need some color on these lips. I always use a lip balm first. Then I'll use a lip stain. Either in a cranberry color or a red. This is Ofra in the color Havana Nights. It looks like this. It's a lip stain. I have to let it dry. And be careful it don't get on my teeth. Okay, give me some eyebrows. I'm going to use an eyebrow stencil today. Always brush them. And what you do is fit it on your eyebrow. I want to use another brush. I'm going to use this brush. Looking at my mirror over to the side. Okay. Got me an eyebrow. Now flip it over. Wipe it off. Try to make sure it's at the same level as the other one was. I guess that's okay. They always look different, but they on there. Okay, let me clean this off with this brush eraser. It's a sponge. Okay, I want eyeshadow today. Yeah, got on blue, like a tie-dyed blue top. So I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. These are the colors. This stuff want to come out. It sifts. Those are the colors. So I'm going to use the light. It's like a aqua. I can't do this. It'll take too long. Use this under the brow bone. I don't never go too heavy on my eyebrows because my eyeshadow We ain't going nowhere but to Walmart. Okay. I'm gonna use a darker blue. It's like a teal. I like it. Use that on my lid. Looking over to the side at my mirror. And I always do a darker color, the outer V, and the crease right there. So I'm using this dark purplish blue color. I hope it's darker than what I just put on. Yep, it's darker. One there. And I'm gonna blend it when I'm through. It's good enough to me. Okay, clean that brush off, and I'm gonna blend this. Get that out my way. That's what I used to blend my eye lids with. Start with the lighter color, and then my lid, and then that's good. Now this eyeliner. This is called Eye Method Beauty. One side where you can stamp your wings on, but I don't do all that. I'm just using this marker looking tip. I feel like I'm playing a flute when I do this. A couple of my kids were in the band. I think one of them had a flute, and I don't know what the other one had. Okay. I try to put this stuff up as I use it. It's like when I cook. When I use stuff, I either throw it away or put it up or wash it. Okay. Blush. I always use this. Okay, that's good. This is what I used. The Starry Triple Blush Palette. Okay, what else I need? Eyelashes. You know what? First I'm going to darken up these edges. I'm going to use this Belle Ami Beauty. It's for edges. I got one in dark brown, which I need to use, but I don't know where it is. And I'm not buying another one. So I got this in black. So I'm using this wedge. It works pretty well. And I don't start right at the hairline, because it'll be too dark. You know, like one of those Jackson brothers. I ain't gonna talk about him, because he was always the cute one. When they first started out, oh, he's cute. I mean, he's still cute, but why is hair like that? All that shoe polish. I do not want to look like that, y'all. See, this is doing a good job darkening my silver edges, and I can just brush some away. You know, I wear half wigs. I prefer half wigs to the full wig. So with a full wig, I ain't got to do all this. I didn't bring no headband in here. I got one that'll match this. Got a blue tie-dye headband. Let me bring it in here. This is still going to be lighter than the wig. You don't need baby hair today? No, it'll take up more time. So this is the best thing to use for edges. A wedge. And I just wrap it up in a paper towel and use it. Use it the next day. Okay. What I need. I need some edges. And it's gonna kind of wash off the dark stuff I just put on. But I need some little baby hair. Just a little. Just a little. That's just a little. This is the Eco Styler Gel. The yellow. Everything except the green with the olive oil in it works. The stuff with the olive oil in it is kind of soft and it don't do my hair. I've heard other people say it does their hair. Usually anything will hold my edges. Not that. I've tried it all. That's good. Uneven baby hair. That's okay. You want to put it on now? No. That'll be in my Wig Wednesday video. Okay, what I need. Putting on my lipstick. Red. This is Fashion Fair Catfight. It's a luscious red. Okay, powder my face. My face don't look finished until I put on the finishing powder. It's the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. You can get this from Walmart or Amazon. I have it in the color Creamy Bronze Finish. This is the middle color. They have a lighter color and a darker color. So this is the middle shade. It works for me. See, it does give my face that finishing touch. Sometimes I wear this by itself, and it works. Okay. That's it. No, I didn't do my eyelashes. You know what? I want to use mascara today. I'll put on the lashes. I prefer putting on the lashes. I use the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I got used to wearing lashes so I don't look right without them. I just twirl it. I don't do this. They say that forces more air and bacteria into it. So, 2 coats. It's supposed to be the lash building. Well, it is. It did a great job until I started wearing those lash clusters. Man, this don't look like nothing. Twirl it. Wipe off that end. So I don't want no globs. Going to Walmart in a little while. Gotta pick up some medicine. And maybe I'll cook today. I don't know. I knew after I did my nails yesterday, I wasn't cooking nothing. Because I wasn't going to be in all that water. I wash my hands a lot when I'm cooking. Like you put on nail wraps, you're not supposed to be in the water for a couple hours. That's why I usually do it at night. One more coat and then I'll be through. Okay, that's good. I look better than I started. Okay. I want to thank you all for getting ready with me. I'm officially as cute as I can be today. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. See my nails. These are nail wraps, y'all. And they will last until I get tired of them. Probably be in about 2 weeks. I'll be sick of looking at them. But they're good. They're good. Okay, bye for real now.